Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, ground provision recipe. So my friend, this recipe is so delicious, it makes a perfect morning breakfast. So my friend, before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. On this channel, I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily make at home. For this recipe, we're going to need green plantain and also ripe plantain and also eddo, also known as dasheen. Next, you're going to need yuca, also known as cassava. Next, my friend, what I have is seasoned fish. I already went ahead and pre-seasoned my fish for easy cooking. Next, my friend, I will go ahead and begin peeling my ground provision and show you what it looks like at the end. So my friend, I might as well take this moment and shout out you guys for always tuning in and watching my videos. Big shout out to you and also my new subscribers. So my friend, for some of our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and be sure to like. So my friend, at this point I'm finished peeling all my provision. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pre-boil them for a few minutes. So guys, during boiling process, you certainly can add a pinch of salt and also a bit of butter for easy cooking and taste. Next, I will begin creating a base batter for frying fish using a bit of all-purpose flour and also a combination of mixed spices. So my friend, for this recipe I'm using a new seasoning. The name of the seasoning is called Slap Your Mama. Totally awesome, makes a perfect seafood seasoning. Next, just go ahead and just give it a good mix. So guys, check it out, this looks amazing. After 12 minutes, we're pretty much finished here. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it and set it aside. Next, you want to just go ahead and base your fish in that awesome batter that we created. And then fry as needed. So my friend, this looks amazing. Before frying them, I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 cube of garlic to the oil and just add my fish and fry as needed. So guys, check it out, this looks so delicious. I'm just going to go ahead and remove and set aside for plating. So my friend, for something extra, I went ahead and created a tomato-based sauce for this recipe. If you'd like to see how to make this recipe, just let me know in the comment section. I will show you how to make this recipe, or I will do a video on how to make this recipe. So guys, here we are. At this point, I'm all finished. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and add my fish and also base with a bit of tomato sauce. So my friend, I hope you enjoyed this delicious ground provision recipe, and also please subscribe for more easy video recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.